Hey guys, so today we are doing my pink and purple brows. I'm so excited and so thankful to the Lord that this actually came out beautifully. It's stunning. Okay, now first we're starting off as usual, just spooling out the brows, getting those hairs together, and I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. How I wanted the colors to go, I wanted it to be pink, purple, then like my natural brow color. So that's why I'm going in with Ebony at the tail. And you'll see a little bit later on in the video, I had to go a little bit farther up. I didn't take enough of the Ebony, but you'll see that a little bit later. Yeah. Next, I'm going to take the There we go. Next, I'm going to take the NYX eyeshadow base in white in my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking the purple from that palette. I'm going to use the pink and the purple from this palette, but I'm just placing the base and the powder. I mixed it the base and the shadow. I mixed it a little bit and put it on my brow where I want the purple. And now I'm going to go back in with the actual shadow and place that where I placed the base. Now I'm going back over the base just because it's a cream base and you always want to set your creams with powders. And also, more importantly, I wanted the color to be more stark, more bright, more vivid, and I had to go back in with the purple, the actual shadow, to do that. And here you're seeing me going back in with Ebony because I felt like I needed to take it a little bit higher. With these types of projects and creativity types of situations, you'll find yourself going back and forth a lot just to make sure the blend is seamless, and that's totally okay. It's perfectly fine to take your time. I actually suggest you take your time whenever you're dealing with a lot of colors and you're trying to blend them together. Just take your time because it will pay off in the end. And now you just saw me put some more base on, and now I'm going in with the pink. This is looking so pretty. But like I was saying, just take your time. It's totally okay to go back and forth. You can sit there for hours and do it. Trust me, I can too. And it'll pay off. You know, it's better to sit in your chair for 2 hours rather than 30 minutes, you know, and it'll pay off, definitely. Now I'm just taking my spoolie. Your spoolie gonna be your best friend because it really blends out what you can't with your finger or whatever. So it just blends the colors in a little bit better. Now to go back in with the pink. And now I'm just cleaning it up with my Shape Tape in medium. I find that when you're using powders or shadows like I did, you can regularly swipe the concealer on when you're cleaning it up. But when you're using pomades, because they do make colored pomades, just take your time a little bit more and stamp the concealer on rather than swipe it, just so you don't smear the colors. Just a little tip. Oh, guys, that looks so nice. Oh my gosh. And obviously I did the colors because my hair is black, purple, and pink. So if you didn't catch the hint, yeah, look at it. It's so nice. Thank you, God. Can we just take a moment of silence? Anyway, I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video, which should be Thursday. Have a great day.